This is a video of my 1955 Underwood De Luxe Quiet Tab portable typewriter. I got this from the same gentleman who gave me the 65 Smith Corona Sterling. So it's a pretty cool machine. It's kind of got a triple tone. You've got the beige on the dust cover, and you've kind of got an off color of that same beige on the keys and the letters are green. That's really cool. And then you've got this kind of brown or orange tone on the frame of the machine. It's really cool. I like the styling and I like the color combination. I kind of attribute the design to kind of like a vacuum cleaner of the 1950s, but it's a cool design. When I got it, the fine adjustment where you press on the button here wasn't working, so I had to rig something up inside so that it will work, and so because the ratchet wasn't working properly when I got it. Otherwise, it works pretty good. You got your paper rest up here that pops up. You got your deluxe label there, or script, with a quiet tab underneath. You got your margin sets here and here. You've got your line space switch here. 1, 2, and 3. Kind of an inconvenient space, especially when the carriage is pushed over. You can reach in, but you know it's not the easiest thing to reach for. You've got your carriage release there and here, your bell. You've got the paper release here that also raises the paper bale out of the way. Paper bale has 2 positions. Of course, you got your shift key and your shift lock. You got your tab clear key over here, tab set, tabulator key, and backspace. Your margin release here, and your 3-position ribbon selector switch there, and your ribbon winder knob right here. You flip that either way and it rotates to rewind the ribbon. Under the dust cover, you've got original metal spools, original style metal spools, and your touch control. I think it's 1 through 5. Pretty cool machine overall. As you can see there, you've got the name Linda Murray, and I'm not sure if that's MGM or MGH. The story I did get with the typewriter was that it's MGM, but it's questionable. I think it could be MGM, but I'm not really sure. It apparently did come from California, but not sure on that one, but pretty cool. Alright, we'll do a quick typing test. There we go, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Very nice machine to type on, very comfortable. These keys offer very nice touch on the key, very comfortable. That's the 1955 Underwood De Luxe.